When you download the handout for how to ace the 50 most common interview questions, what you'll want to do is access it through the Google Docs and then make your own copy so that you can work with it. So you'll hit File and then Make a Copy. You can retitle it, whatever, like My Answers. This will allow you opportunity to delete the many questions you choose not to answer. So you can see it is saved here as My Answers. And now I decide that I want to delete this group of questions. And for this one, I want to provide my answer. So now this saves this as yours. You can then link this in the Dropbox, or the alternative is, once you're finished, to download it. So you can certainly just download it as Microsoft Word, PDF, whatever works for you, and submit that file to the Dropbox. Either is fine.